Good morning, Husky Pups. Mrs. Volts here. Yesterday we started talking about our new letter of the week. We don't have too many more to go. We've talked about a lot. But what was our letter for this week? Do you remember? V. V. And V says V. Kind of tickles your lip a little bit. V. Well, we're going to start off practice writing it, okay? So when we make the uppercase, we're going to start at the top and we're going to slant down, then back up to the top and make your other slant. There's our uppercase V. Let's make one more. Slant down and slant down right to the point. And that makes our V. Now the lowercase v looks just like it, but it's a little bit smaller. So we're going to make it smaller than the uppercase, but we're going to use those same slant lines. Okay? There you go. Keep practicing those letters, friends. Okay. We talked with Mrs. Johnson last week, and she was telling us about how words stretch, the letters stretch out, and then we put them back together again to make a word. Well, we're going to do that today. Are you ready? I have a word for you here. Let's see if you can help me figure out what it is. So here are our letters. There's our V. V. Do you know what this one is? A. And the last one is N. So it's all stretched out. Let's see what sounds they are. We know that V makes the V. A says A. What does N say? Shout it out if you know. N. V. A. N. Van. Let's put it together. Do you know what that word is? Van. Van. It says van. Van says van. Let's write it up here on the board. Van says A. Here's our A and N. Van says van. Oh, let's try another one. Let's try another one here. Here are our letters, all stretched out. Okay, let's sound it out. What letter? P, and P says P. P. A says A. N says N. P. A. N. P. An. Push it all together. What is our word? P-A-N. Pan. Pan. Look at there, you guys are reading. So let's write our word up here. We've got the P that says P. A. N. Pan. Pan. Good job, friends. You know you're reading right now. Isn't it exciting? Okay, we've got one more. Are you ready? Okay, it's all stretched out. What letter is that, friends? It's a C, and C says K, K. A. N. K. An. K. An. And put it all together. Can. Can. Look at, we made the word can. Add it to our list. C says k. A. N. Can. So look at our three words. We have van, an, pan, k, an. Do you notice anything about those three words, friends? Look at the ending of them. An. Look at there. They all end the same. Now take a listen to those words. Van, pan, can. They rhyme, don't they? Words that end the same rhyme. They sound the same. That's pretty neat, isn't it? You guys did a wonderful job. It's fun when we pull those letters apart and the sounds apart and then we put them back together and it makes a word. Good job, pups. Hope you're having a fun day, and I will talk to you soon.